Wait.
Hello, good morning children and parents and carers. Hope everyone's well and safe. Okay, the nominees this week are Lenny from Sparkles, Faye from Little Stars, Alfie from Little Stars, and JJ from Little Stars. Well done, keep up the good work, see you soon, bye!
These are the hard-working home learners in reception who we would like to celebrate this week. Emmanuel from Squirrels for trying really hard with his phonics and maths work at home. He's been joining in with the daily phonics videos and spelling the words. He's also been having a go at some photography. George for Squirrels for joining in with the phonics videos as well and working hard on his spelling, and for trying really hard with reading words with diagraphs, and also for completing addition number sentences. Oliver from Foxes for working really hard with his maths work, completing addition number sentences, working out the answers and counting using coins. He's also been using Numbots to help him with his math skills as well. Leo from Squirrels for his great work practicing his letter formation and for practicing his numbers all the way up to 40. And Rebecca from Hedgehogs for completing lots of work at home. She's been working hard with her reading using online books and Teacher Monster to Read. She's written some great sentences and she's also been practicing counting in twos. Well done to everybody working hard at home. Keep up the good work.
Hello Year 1, for Celebration Assembly this week I've chosen in 1H Anders. You've done a lot of work on Seesaw this week again, Anders, and you've really challenged yourself in your maths, lots of reasoning, so I'm really proud of you, well done. In 1T I've chosen Mia. It's been really nice to see you engage with some of your Seesaw work this week, Mia, and responding to some of your comments. I'm sure Mr. Toll will be really pleased, so well done. And in 1W I've also chosen Mia in 1W, who's done lots and lots on Purple Mash this week. You've really focused on your spellings this week and tried really hard with those and you're making sure you've got them right. So well done to all of you. Bye.
Hello everyone. This week for Celebration Assembly, I am choosing in 2H, Chloe, for all her amazing work this week, so well done to Chloe. In 2B, I'm picking Caspian, and in 2G, I'm picking Daisy. Well done for all the hard work from everyone. There's been lots of posts, and lovely to see all the nature work that people have been uploading. Keep it up, and have a good weekend. Thank you. Bye.
Hey Year 3, another fantastic week of home learning. Been so impressed with what you've been uploading. This week I'd like to celebrate Alan from 3B, Harmony from 3C, Ethan from 3FJ and Logan from 3W, all putting on some fantastic pieces of work onto Seesaw, and Ethan's even been top of the class in Lexia this week. Really well done. Hope you're all staying safe and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hello everyone at Whitehall. In 4L this week we would like to celebrate Rainbow because we've loved seeing the steps to your science work that you've uploaded to Seesaw this week. 4BF would like to celebrate Nevaeh for working really hard at Reading Plus, and you've completed the most lessons out of everyone in the class, so well done. 4B would like to celebrate Michael for the effort that you've been putting into learning maths this week. We've really enjoyed seeing your times tables, the work that you've produced on times and Roman numerals. So well done, and well done to everyone else in Year 4 who's uploaded work to Seesaw.
Hello Whitehall. In Year 5 Home Learning this week, for 5C we are celebrating Abigail for practicing her numbers and days of the week in French and also uploading a lovely video explaining how to make a symmetrical picture. For 5H we are celebrating Callum for his work on Reading Plus and also a fantastic piece of written work where he used lots of really interesting vocabulary. In 5PC, Lily for consistently using Seesaw this week to upload her work. We've really enjoyed seeing everything you've been working on at home, Lily, and we really were impressed with your top trumps cards based on the Harry Potter and David Walliams book, so well done. In Year 6 for home learning this week, Lily has been sharing lots of her learning to Seesaw. We love seeing the results of your woodworking skills, Lily, and we're really interested to see what your finished hexagon shelf looks like. In 6T, Mitchell is being celebrated for his fantastic work on volcanoes. And in 6S, we're celebrating Angel for helping the girls to win their last TT Rockstars battle. Well done.
Good morning everyone. For Celebration Assembly this week I've picked Belle for her fantastic growth mindset with her writing and Kobe for his fantastic knowledge of dinosaurs. Stay safe and see you all next week.
In Bubble 2 this week we're celebrating Danny for his amazing work in the garden and planting our flowers in our hanging baskets. Well done, Danny. And we are celebrating Scarlett for her excellent phonics work. She's been trying really hard to be learning her sounds and blending her words together. I'd also like to say a big well done to everyone who's been doing their yoga at home. Well done, Bubble 2.
This week in Bubble 3, we have chosen Ava and Kenzie to be in Celebration Assembly. The girls have been working so hard all week. We've been particularly impressed with their writing about their chosen dinosaur. They worked hard to ensure their capital letters were larger than all the other letters, that their writing sat on the line, and that they used their sound mat to find their digraphs. Well done, girls.
Hi everyone, this week in Squirrels Bubble 4 we're going to be celebrating Charlie for settling in so well with us. This was his first week, so well done Charlie. And also to Kevin, because Kevin has been making the most amazing models in class, so well done to you both.
Good morning. This week for Celebration Assembly in Bubble 5, we have chosen Jake. Jake has been trying his absolute best since he joined our bubble, and he has fantastic growth mindset, always tackling even challenging tasks and always trying to stretch himself. So well done, Jake. Keep it up.
Hello Whitehall, I'd like to celebrate Paris this week. Mrs. Lily and I have both said that she's been working really hard throughout all of her lessons, always trying to do the right thing. But particularly we were impressed with her character description, all about a dinosaur. Lots and lots of vocabulary in there, lots of adjectives that really made the writing powerful. So well done Paris this week.
This week in Bubble 7, I would like to celebrate Oliver for creating an absolutely amazing miniature world habitat where he created a chocolate factory with a glass roof and a glass door and then wrote all about it. You created some brilliant writing this week and I was really impressed, so well done Oliver.
Hi Bubble 8, well done for another fantastic week of learning. I'm really proud of you all. You're all continuing to show good growth mindset and trying really hard with your learning. I'm going to give a special shout out this week to Lottie, who has really grown in confidence and is really starting to have a go at all of our learning, even when she's not sure. So it's really good to see you showing that growth mindset at all times. Well done. Well done to everyone.
Okay, in Bubble 9 this week, we are going to celebrate Ruby. She's been working so hard in all her English and all her maths. She gets everything done and she's not forgotten anything since before lockdown, so well done, Ruby. And I also want to do a very special mention to Alfie for my bookmark. So thank you, that'll be really useful.
Hi there, Bubble 10 here. Today I'd like to celebrate Leah. Leah is always focused, always concentrating, always doing her best in all of her work in any subject, and is always just being absolutely brilliant. So thank you, Leah. Keep up the good work. I'd also like to give a mention to Alfie, who's not with us in school, but he's made us a bookmark for Bubble 10 for our class book, which is a really nice thought. So thank you as well, Alfie.
So this week everyone's done a fantastic job in Bubble 11, but I would really like to celebrate two people. Firstly, I'd like to celebrate Alfie. Alfie joined us this week and he's doing a superb job. He's doing all his work and he is being very kind and polite, so well done, Alfie. The second person I'd like to celebrate is Ruby. Ruby is always trying her very best. She is a model student. Well done. Take care.
In Bubble 12 this week, we're going to celebrate Lainey for her leaflet that she made all about Brazil. The reason we chose this one was because she put her own personality, her own style, and used really good vocabulary throughout. So well done, Lainey.
Good morning, 6T. It's been another successful week in Bubble 13. We've done some great work, but this week I would like to nominate Sky as our celebration person. She has managed to master long multiplication. It's taken lots of perseverance and lots of practice, but she's done absolutely brilliantly this week. Well done to everyone in Bubble 13, but special well done to Sky.
This week in Bubble 15, I'd like to celebrate Corey. He's been in every single day and he comes in and has a go at everything that we've got set out for him. And also he's got an amazing spider yoga pose. Well done, Corey.
Hi guys, Miss Allen and I would like to celebrate someone who's worked really hard this week and put loads of effort in any challenge we're giving him, not giving up, and just having a really positive attitude, and that person is TJ. I would also like to mention that he showed that he was a really good friend by helping someone out who felt a little bit sad. Well done, TJ.
This week in Bubble 17, I really struggled on picking just one person. So before I say anything else, I want to say a massive well done to absolutely everyone in Bubble 17. You've done some amazing bits of work and I'm really, really proud of all of you. So much so I'm going to put some photos in at the end of this to show off all your work to everyone. But this week I've picked two people specially, and I would like to say a special well done to Rhiannon for all of your amazing hard work and finishing off your pocket solar system at home and bringing in that animal scramble quiz for us, which was really, really tricky. I've never struggled so much to read the word horse, but well done, it was amazing. And secondly, to Gage for bringing an amazing attitude into our bubble, always motivating other children, always persevering and being super independent with your work. I'm really, really proud of you and Rhiannon. So well done everyone in Bubble 17, but especially Gage and Rhiannon.
For celebration this week, Bubble 18 are choosing Emily Rose. She has been absolutely incredible this week. This has been her first week back and she's been a fantastic role model. She's taken part in absolutely every activity with such enthusiasm and she's been super smiley. It has made both myself and Miss Primman's week. So well done, Emily Rose.
Hi Whitehall, Miss Howie here in Bubble 19. First of all, I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone in Bubble 19 for another lovely week of fun and learning. I've really enjoyed being your teacher this week. I'd like to give a special celebration this week to Ronnie, who's been working really hard in every single piece of work that we've been doing, and a special mention of his incredibly inventive hiding places when we played hide and seek out in the garden. Well done, Ronnie.
Hi. So we've had a new bubble this week, which is Bubble 20. So I would like to say a big well done to all of the children that have come in for their first week in Bubble 20 this week. We would like to say an extra big well done and to celebrate Freddie for just getting on with his work without any fussing, working quietly, working hard, and being an absolute joy to have in our bubble. So well done, Freddie, and well done to the rest of them too. Bye.
It's been another fantastic week for the home learning. We've had the most children log on to Reading Plus this week ever, but 4BF had the most logins out of all the classes, so big well done to them. Again, then for the third week in a row now, 3C have smashed Lexia, having the most children log on again. So big well done to 3C and 4BF for their home learning with Lexia and Reading Plus.